With this post-pandemic, a lot of things have changed, especially for the Gen Zs, the current workforce which is there. Post-pandemic, AI introduction is there a lot. Work from office, it's mandatory now. So a lot of things are changing. So how people should cope up with all these things, keeping the negativity which is coming there in their mind.
How can they use AI to become swifter, faster? How can they control tasks that require repetition? AI will help you with all of this. What it leaves the individual with is more creativity. In fact, we have to learn how to navigate AI. So AI is not controlling us. We have to learn how to control.
Yeah, somebody said that if AI is not gonna eat your job, those who don't know how to run AI, those jobs might be at stake.
Yes.
Yes. Again, a question comes. It's a very layman question which you can relate, especially in metro cities. If we talk about Bangalore, because we are shooting in Bangalore, the traffic and all, where employees are very frustrated and they say that too much of traveling and then our work productivity is getting hampered. So they have this perception that if we are traveling in this much of traffic, we could have utilized that energy being at home, work from home, and we could have given the productivity. There's a lot of back and forth conversation on this. When a normal executive or senior executive, they sit having a chai or some snacks, they have this conversation that why to come in rain, in traffic. Very layman conversation happens. So what do you want to tell those people so that they can have a different mindset? They can start seeing from a different angle.